अभी हम लोग लगभग 135 मीटर की ऊंचाई पे हैं.
The tension is palpable.
The sensors that are updating at this point are providing confirmation of the safety of the landing site.
A heart-stopping moment for everyone watching this, as the lander Vikram descends softly on the southern face of the moon.
जी हाँ, आप अपनी स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं.
Jubilation all around.
Sir, we have achieved soft landing on the moon. India is on the moon.
A surge in the national pride as India joins the table as a key player in the global community of space exploration. It's only the fourth country after the United States, former Soviet Union and China to have a spacecraft land on the moon, but the first to be on the southern side.
India's successful moon mission is not just India's alone. This success belongs to all of humanity.
And assembly between the S-200.
India's moon mission has been in the making for 15 years. And it comes just days after a Russian spacecraft crashed in its attempt to reach the southern side. Scientists believe that craters there may contain frozen water, the detection of which could potentially support a permanent base on the moon.
The earlier moon missions were about adventure. The present moon missions are looking at minerals, water, etc., thinking in terms of, like we have in Antarctica today on Earth, a science mission based there which would continue to do science.
The cost of Chandrayaan-3 was $74 million, less than half the cost of the Hollywood blockbuster Interstellar. Now India must strike a balance between growing its investment in space and meeting the demands of the millions of its citizens living in poverty. But there's no doubt today's pioneering movement and unprecedented success cements India's position as a major player in the space race. Neville Lazarus, Sky News, Delhi.